Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to everyone watching. Here again to welcome you to our channel BE to Profit. And thank you for watching all of our videos we've been putting out. It's really nice to see you guys watching them. Perhaps you are getting one or two things to improve your own strategy or your own trading. And let's do this together. And this is another morning. I'm looking at the GU pair this morning, and I'm thinking maybe I'm going to take a buy if I have the pattern or the setup. So on 15-minute time frame, this is it this morning. As we can see, don't forget we want to scalp this market. I actually wanted to scalp as usual. As we can see, from the beginning of the day, we have been seeing the market having higher highs. We've been moving up and up and up and up and up, and now we just broke these highs here. Yeah, when we broke it here, so we're looking for a retracement. We're looking for a retracement for continuation. So then we will now go to 5-minute to see where we can start from now. So we see this move down, we see the move down, you see the candle, red candle, like 3-4 candles coming down. So I'm looking for the pattern to set for me, and once I see this pattern set, I'm going to set my my order to buy up. And of course we can even go from here to this line. This line is a weekly line here, it's a weekly resistance. But of course, don't forget, I'm always about the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so do not forget this. So this is what I'm looking for this morning. The trade hasn't happened yet, but I'm expecting it to happen anytime soon. I will be using these magic keys to set up the order when I see one. If this candle can close in green in the next say in the next 5 minutes or 4 minutes, but it is not closing yet. So if this candle can close in green, but if it doesn't go below this very doji candle, but if it goes below the candle, then I have to wait for another setup. So I'm going to wait for what happens here. So we don't know yet, but we gotta wait. It could as well move, bounced on it can bounce on this blue line. This is a daily line that I put here. The 4-hour yellow line here, the 4-hour support resistance line is a resistance line actually right now. So we're moving. Maybe when we get here, it will react to this daily support, and we will get this pattern to start moving back up, maybe back to this 4-hour or back again up to here to ultimately go to this level. We will see. And as well, maybe, we don't know, maybe it could just start moving and come to this red line here, that dotted line here, before we have any potential setup. But I'm expecting any setup here. So if I have a setup, I will let you know, guys. If we lose the trade, I will try to look for another entry point. But what I'm looking for, I'm waiting for, is certain pattern. Now everything has been correct. We've checked 15 minutes, we've been making high highs, we've been going up. I just got to my computer. Actually, I woke up a little bit late today. Yeah, there was a setup here actually. Just after this candle, as you can see, it breaks up this one, where my cursor is, and it goes up very well. So, and we have another setup here also. We have another good setup here also, which kind of move up also. So I'm just waiting if I could get another setup here, and if I could get a setup, it will be the third one and might be the last one, since I've missed these first two. They're about even 3 setup, so there are like 3 setups already. So, and yeah, there was a setup, I think here, but these were so early, so I don't usually take trades around here. Maybe around here, around this time. So that's how it is, but we will see. So what am I still looking for is for this candle, like now we have a potentially maybe this will turn green. Yeah, as it's turning green now, so I'm looking for another candle to show me that we are not coming down. Yeah, after this I'm still looking. It's not this very candle is not the last candle, but I'm still waiting for a proper pattern to show me that GBP USD pair where is still like heading up. Very sure that once it happens, it's going to break this 4-hour resistance and we will move up. We will gotta move up even minimum to this level for sure. Even though it's 1-to-1, I might be willing to let the my trade really work well. So now we have another candle. Yeah, so this candle I don't want it to move so up. I want it to just range between this line without crossing down to this level. So in the next 4 or 5 minutes, I want it to go within this range and stay there. I want this candle to stay here around this region, not going below here. So when the candle forms and finishes, I will be placing my order just above this particular candle. Then I'll aim for at least first 1-to-1, then second I'm going up to this level here at least. So this is my game plan this morning, and I think we should be able to have a very good trade, but we're gonna wait and see what happens next. So let's wait and see. Oh yes guys, this is an update. So we have a very good example of when not to take trades, and I'm happy this actually happened. So sometimes we have a setup, but the setup is not the best setup and it doesn't give us what we want. We cannot force the trade. That means there's no trade. So we remember that I was saying that this candle, these two candles, when the candle finishes, I needed another candle within this range that it doesn't go below this level. Then I will take trade after that. Now we have this candle formed, and it formed well, pretty well. However, you remember where I put my profit target? It's here, somewhere here. That okay, it will give me 1-to-1, or best yet, it will give 1-to-2, and this will be the ultimate target for me. But do you see what happened to that candle? The candle moved impulsively. It moved so much so that it almost got to the target. So it's the trigger candle that should be smaller, yeah, but unfortunately it's not. So we had an impulsive candle. So when we see this kind of impulsive candle and we have already projected our target to be somewhere close, we don't take this trade. It was too much, it was too long. All what I want was a little candle form around this, maybe 4 or 5 pips, little 3, 4, 5 pips, little candle. Then we will break it and it will give us like this. But now that we had this long huge candle that our target has already hit, that we are projecting, then there's no need to force the trade that we will be entering here. No, we were not going to enter at the break of this candle. It makes no sense. So we are not taking this trade. So it's a very good example of when not to take this trade. And that's why I said the method, the scalping method, has some intricacies. I said it earlier in a previous video, and these are some of the little nuggets from it, and I hope you actually get something here. I don't know, I'll wait also for the trade, for maybe another trade. If not, I will be calling it a day. On 15 minutes we've been seeing some not so great price action here, moving back and forth, and I don't like it. I would need to wait a little bit longer. If nothing happens today, well, tomorrow will be another day. Don't forget that we've had a very good trade here. I was still sleeping actually. I couldn't wake up early, so yeah, we had a good one here, we had another one here, so we had another one here. So we had a good trade like 3 times just before this one. So but I missed those, and well, maybe tomorrow, if I'm not able to get any trade today, maybe tomorrow, then I will try to wake up early just to catch a few pips. So this is just a update on the wrap for today, and I think you learned something also from this beautiful analysis, and we see when not to take a trade. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you think you got something or maybe some value from this video, please subscribe to our channel, and make comments, like the video, and just stay tuned to our future uploads. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next one.